Hi class. So this is the second method. It's called elimination. We're going to learn how to solve simultaneous equations by elimination method. So what does it mean? It means that you're going to remove one of the unknown, either x or y. So the first step is to identify which unknown has the same coefficient, right? So I can see that y here, they has the same coefficient as 1. Yeah? The coefficient is a number in front of the unknown value. So 3 is the coefficient of x, and this is 2 is a coefficient of x. So they don't have the same coefficient. However, y does have the same coefficient. Alright, so the next step will be either add or subtract the two equations so that you can eliminate the letter y. So let's say if I add these two, equations, it's gonna become 2y, right? But if I subtract these two, I'm going to eliminate y. So let me show you how you do so. Alright, so 3x take away 2x will be equal to x. Y take away y will be equal to 0. So x, it will be equal to 0. X will be equal to 11 take away 11, that will be also to 0. So now x will be equal to 0. So now after you already solve for one value, you can sub this value and look for y. So let's say I sub the value of, so sub x equal to 0 into one of the equation. Let's say into 1 here. So then your next step will be rewrite the equation plus y equal to 11. So 3, instead of writing x, you're going to multiply with 0 plus y equal to 11. Now y will be equal to 11. So you already solve for x and y, so x will be equal to 0 and y will be equal to 11. So now you already solve the simultaneous equations by elimination following these steps. First, you will have to identify which unknown has the same coefficient. Second step is to either add or subtract. After you eliminate one unknown, then you're left with the value of the other. Then sub the value of the one that you know into one of the equations to look for either y, the other unknown. So in this case it's y, and then you sub the value of x into the equation in order to look for y. Alright, we're done.